How to disable Messenger pop-up. Hello and welcome to One Two Step. I'm back with a new quick and easy tutorial video on how you can disable Messenger pop-up or the chat hits. For that, you'll have to open your Messenger application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once logged in, you will reach to this interface of Messenger. Now here, click on those three horizontal lines at the top left corner of the screen. By clicking on it, some menu will pop up. From here, click on the settings icon next to your profile name. Once you click on it, you will reach to this page. First scroll down and under preferences, there you'll find chat hits, which is currently turned on. At the right side, you will find the toggle button, which is currently turned on, due to which we find pop-ups on Messenger. Now if you want to disable this, click on this button to disable it, and once you do so, you won't get any chat hits or pop-up on Messenger. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.